Welcome to this business ethics and public policy case study. Today, we analyze Twitter's board decision to yield to a takeover bid. In 2022, Twitter's board faced significant pressure from Elon Musk. They initially implemented a poison pill defense. However, in a short period, they reversed this defense and agreed to the deal. This decision raises profound ethical questions and public policy implications. Did the board act in shareholders' best interest? From a business ethics perspective, we must consider the board's fiduciary duties. Did they explore all alternatives? What about the impact on employees, users, and the broader social media ecosystem? In public policy, the takeover of a major tech company like Twitter has far-reaching consequences. It affects free speech, content moderation, and market competition. This case study highlights the complexity of corporate design where ethics, market pressures, and public interests intertwine. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for future business leaders. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.